Here's some Smokestack Industry trivia. Subscribe. Which country is the largest coal producer? Is it A, China, B, Russia, C, Germany, or D, South Africa? The correct answer is A, China. What method uses heat to produce cement? Is it A, quenching, B, calcination, C, mixing, or dehydration? The correct answer is B, calcination. What type of emissions are regulated under air quality standards? Is it A, sulfur hexafluoride, B, carbon dioxide, C, nitrogen, or D, particulate matter? The correct answer is D, particulate matter. Which natural resource is primarily mined for aluminum? Is it A, bauxite, B, iron, C, copper, or D, coal? The correct answer is A, bauxite. Which industry relies heavily on non-renewable resources? Is it A, sustainable fashion, B, tourism, C, fossil fuels, or D, biotechnology? The correct answer is C, fossil fuels. In which climate is coal extraction most prevalent? Is it A, tropical, B, arid, C, temperate, or D, polar? The correct answer is C, temperate. Which industry was historically known as the smokestack industry? Is it A, manufacturing, B, agriculture, C, tourism, or D, technology? The correct answer is A, manufacturing. What type of facility processes crude oil into products? Is it A, refinery, B, distillery, C, power plant, or D, warehouse? The correct answer is A, refinery. In which country is the majority of iron ore mined? Is it A, Brazil, B, Russia, C, India, or D, Australia? The correct answer is D, Australia. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.